And this right here, I am turning around for a reason. And this is the reason why I am turning around. This place has made me into a freaking fireball. You better believe it. So whenever I was at transition at a place, I was given a gift, and what it was a gold-plated G compass and square. And this right here, this right here is what rules and runs the world. This right here is what the builders build off of, okay? This is what they rejected, which is the chief cornerstone. So what is going to happen is, what's going to happen? Scripture says it, that the chief cornerstone that the builders rejected will become what? A stumbling block. And whenever it becomes a stumbling block, however that may look, however that may sound, however judgment drops, I am for it. I am for every single drop of judgment that comes with that. So whenever that gift I had, it was from a Freemason's house. And it was an ornament that hung on a tree. Well, in the book of Jeremiah, it talks about cutting down trees and hanging silver and gold on it, making it all nice and pretty and stuff. Well, I made a video about it, and I said, see, this gold-plated compass and square, on the outside it looks real, okay? I said, but underneath it is fake. It's about the false light. For those who don't know, the false light is a copycat. It's like salt and sugar side by side. That's how much of a deception the false light is. Even so, even the very elect may be deceived. So when I crushed that in my hand, as a video, I made it. It made me bleed. And I thought about the significance of that. How this fake 24 karat gold plated compass and square made me bleed in my hand. Okay, so to me, that points to Christ, because they rejoice at the Lord's defeat, which it's not. It's not defeat. It's victory. Nothing but 100% pure victory. It says that Jesus made a spectacle of the principalities while on the cross. Spoiled them. Made a spectacle of them. For my house, I want and desire the chief cornerstone. My house, I built upon the rock. All their little buildings and stuff, if you see the courthouses are huge. And they're typically white. They're all going to melt. All of their works, everything that they're building and working for and towards, is all for naught. Every single second of their lives is all in vain, because they are defeated.